Hey people, sorry that it has been, like 2 months without any cooking video. And it's like, damn, it's been too damn long. And I've been going to roast some Papua New Guinea coffee. And I love this Black& Decker pan where I can temperature control it in a way that I can start to roast the coffee. And it's been roasting really good. I mean, what I really have done differently this time was I took them out of the freezer, let them unthaw, then started to roast, and it has roasted a lot more quicker, a lot more faster than my previous attempts. And honestly, it was so bang on. Like, you can see like the difference in colors of roasts. And it took me about 25-30 minutes for the entire coffee to roast to like a medium style of roast. It was so good.